calling Paige. She's my assistant. First, she's gonna get us what we need. Hey! She's gonna get us what we need. Then she's gonna sell me.
That's fine.
No? You didn't like that one?
I've only done the drill like one time. And I like the drilling. Oh shit.
The place looked good. Nothing we weren't expecting. Can you get the intel together? Hard copies to go on a notice board. Yeah, plus all the equipment we spoke about.
You can drill then. I'll drive.
Those people. Yeah.
At least for our first go through of this. Oh my gosh, this drill is pissing me off.
Back of a truck. Tools for the job, things for you to wear. On a job, your attire will depend on the role you're
This thing is literally making me foam at the mouth right now.
If you're likely to be seen by civilians, you'll be provided with a couple of masks. Then when you go into the bank, you can choose one that goes with your eyes.
Don't make me laugh right by the end. Shit.
Whoop-de-doo. Where were we? Masks. Paige. Oh yeah. We'll go over there, pick her up, and go back to your place to plan this thing. I can talk you through the planning board later. That might be helped by a visual aid. The rest is pretty self-explanatory.
Oh, maybe I go the long way?
Bullets go in here, come out there.
Aha.
There's
Ah,
leaving
thank
this car,
goodness.
taking the truck. I should be using my cane. Hey, passenger seat. Did you get into their network? No? Well, you better
No.
do better next time.
Nice to meet you.
Shut up, Lester. No, it's just a dry run test.
Now it's back to the apartment. Is it all there?
I think so. You want to get out and check? Go down the inventory? Or are you happy sitting there making a perfect butt imprint in your easy wipe seat?
I'll take your word for it.
Thank you. It should all be there. The clothes, guns, headsets, hold-alls, masks, the drill, the files with all the photos and...
How do you know that?
Hey, there's enough here to make us all look real suspicious. Nice.
Really?
Come on!
That's wild.
Robbery charge waiting to happen.
What, they're gonna charge
Maybe
us?
because I think it's probably actually because
Not so
you
much fraud as everything
you
before.
follow me on
We'd be
Twitch.
caught with our pants down and a hard-on out to here.
Well, we're not getting caught. These are professionals.
So I hear. The cheapest professionals money can buy.
I like to think of it as investing in new talent. And until you and me start playing low-rent Bonnie and Clyde, that's the way it's got to be. She didn't mean anything by that, by the way. She's just a little brusque.
If they were offended, they would have said something. We're carrying precious cargo.
Might as well. Although, I probably have something faster. I know, I just sat there the whole time, sipping beer and vaping. Man, that vape's still going like a mug, man. I said I got a little bit left. I was wrong.
Okay. Now,
I guess it was worth the 60 bucks, I guess.
I'd let you do it if you could reach. I mean, I didn't see any.
And it doesn't zonk you like, you know what I mean, like regular does. It's like a medicinal dose, but it's effective.
Where was I? Oh, yes, the room. The page is
Doesn't reek at all, man.
on which you will
And that
plan
stomach
your
ache that I had earlier is gone.
Set out all the prep work you need to do, select your crew, figure out how the take from a score should be split up. So you need a crew
Truly.
to take a score. But only one person can be in charge. Respect. Isn't that
Gooby.
right, Paige?
Come on.
Blow me.
All You're only gonna need.
Are we gonna have any resistance? Like, are we gonna have anyone trying to get us while we're taking this thing?
Now, instead of getting one legitimately and leaving a nice long paper trail to your front door, you're gonna be jacking one from a nasty cleaning crew and leaving a nice long paper trail to their door instead.
This is good to go.
Okay, here's your board. Good, good, good. And when you're ready to move on the car, go over it, study the plan, tick it off the list. You must be methodical. This isn't just a dumb crime. Oh, there is an element of that, huh? Oh. And when you've got the car, we'll come back here and talk bank jobs. Bank jobs, bank jobs.
Nice. I forgot to get the Karuma. Oh wait, we can go in and get it, right?
Hello, can you hear me? I'll be here to talk you through all these jobs. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, yeah, the car. Okay. You're on the way to Del Perro. A Koreatown stick-up crew's been using a parking lot as a base for scores. Now, they're into extortion, credit fraud, stolen cars, and some... anyone who doesn't have a healthy dose of paranoia, so be careful.
Oops! Excuse me.
Slippery, huh?
You almost there? Remember, you can do this however you like.
It's a sexy one.
Careful. If you're not careful, they'll clock you, and then you won't
Oh, I remember this. Lots of shooting. Yeah. You're right.
the top level of this garage on the north side. So, I see two ways of doing
Did you put your mask on? Put your mask on with a D-pad? Did you put your mask on? You ain't put your mask on. Left on the D-pad?
We don't want anyone looking for you, so put on masks before saying hi.
You got it now. Good shit. I'm not sure why we are supposed to put on the masks, but yeah.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I think we want to go up the other side of the garage, away from where everyone's at, and shoot them, like pick them off. You got that marksman rifle, you said. Let's see it in action. Alright. Alright, that's cool. I'm gonna burn one too then. I'm gonna wait until you get back. I wish we... I don't know why not.